In late August of 2023, a rock slide blocked the access road that leads to Laguna Paron. And so what that means is that we were not going to be able to drive all the way to the lake. So in this video, what we do is show you how we managed to make it all the way up, where we stayed, and how we were able to hike to Laguna Paron with 2 kids.
So we're gonna drive up to Laguna Paron. What we've learned is there was a landslide that covered part of the road, so we're not able to actually drive all the way to the lake, but we'll see how far we can go. And we can't get any information from nothing concrete from anybody, so we're gonna go up and check it out and see if we can stay up there, right?
Yes.
Yes. Check it out.
Check it, check it, check it.
Check it, check it, check it.
Laguna Paron is 32 kilometers from the closest town of Caras. It took us about 45 minutes to get up to the gate, and we got there at about 4 o'clock because we wanted to make sure that we were not running into other cars that were coming down from the lake, because the road is a pretty narrow mountain road.
Are you ready?
I guess so.
How are you feeling?
Oh, see, a little nervous with all the reports on how bad it is. It's a little nerve-wracking, but we've also heard that it's not that bad. I'm guessing it's going to be a cross between the two.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll just take it slow, we'll take it easy, and go from there.
I'm looking at your face, seeing what you feel.
Concentration.
Concentration
is my feeling right now.
Yes. To as far as we can go, as far as camping. The rest of the way we're not able to because of the avalanche, and there's just the road's blocked, rocks, there's just no way to go. But it's a pretty nice campsite. I mean, it's flat, it's big. Obviously there's people up here in tents. It's cold, but it is also very, very, very stunning. Super, super stunning. Like, look at that. Look at those mountains over there and the waterfall. It's crazy.
We enjoyed a pretty quiet night, enjoyed a fire and the scenery, and we knew that we had to wake up pretty early in the morning so that we could find our way to the lake.
Alright, so we are gonna be hiking up to Laguna Paron. Obviously just because the road is blocked by the landslide, so we don't quite know where the trail is, but we'll just follow this little pathway, and once we get to the landslide we gotta figure it out, but we'll see how it goes. luck, Eddie.
You're good, regulators.
Yeah, this is
For us,
super
it's fine.
wet. Yeah, it's them. I just. This mud is just. We're just getting so wet. The views are nice. So we ended up following this path here. It's pretty well marked. You know, there's a nice pathway, but the road is over here, and we do see people hiking up here. We're all heading in the right direction just because the lake is that way. Easier.
We ended up running into this dry canal, and we were able to take this canal all the way to the lake.
Oh, there's people right there. You got it. Good job. Whoa! We found it! Yoo-hoo!
The clouds came in and it started raining, so it's time to head back.
Good morning. So, it's super early in the morning. It's about 6:45-ish, just after sunrise, and I'm gonna go hike up to the lake again. The reason I'm doing this is because it rained yesterday, so I didn't get to go up to the mirador. It's early, it's looking nice right now, so this will be my attempt. I will take a different route than we did yesterday, so I'm gonna go I'm gonna cross the landslide a little bit higher than we did yesterday and see how that goes. So let's see. Okay, so this is where I am. Obviously the landslide is right here. It's pretty wet, there's lots of water, little streams crossing. What I'm gonna do is just follow this little path that will take me up to the other side of the landslide on the original road, and then I will cross the landslide. Okay, so I got to the rock pile, and I followed a really nice path. It's very, very obvious, and I mean that didn't take me very long. I mean, I feel the altitude. I didn't sleep very well last night because we are at about 4,100 meters elevation, and so sleep is not very easy. But really, still, that didn't take me very long. Not even 10 minutes. I'd say about 5 to 10 minutes. So, at this rock pile, yesterday I found a really nice path from the road. It looks like there's lots of people that actually just go across here, and I'm not quite sure where they go, so I'm gonna make my way up to the road, which is really not that far. It's just right here. So I'm gonna make my way up to the road since I know my path, and that's where I'm gonna cross onto the other side. And once I cross onto the other side, it's super easy going. So I'm gonna just kind of do a little bit of bushwhacking here. Nothing too crazy. A little steep, but I mean, my kids did this yesterday, so if a 5-year-old can do it, you can do it. Okay, so just a little bit of scrambling and I'm on the road. Now I'm gonna cross the stream here. So my goal is to cross right here, and there is a path that's right here.
I don't think this is a path that would be easy with my kids just because they're little, and the rocks here in the morning were pretty slippery, so I had to go pretty slow because of that. Once I got past the landslide, I got onto this dry canal, and again this brought me right onto the lake, and this was a really easy way to get there.
So what I'm gonna do now is go up the Mirador, check it out, check out the scene. It's really nice and clear right now, and so I'm gonna take advantage of that, and we'll see how long it takes me. It's pretty steep, rocky, but obviously doable. So let's see.
Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped clarify how to get to Laguna Paron, where to stay, and how to actually get to the lake since the landslide. Bye, and we'll see you in the next video.